Hi there, Amber. How you doing? I see your post right here, and I see that you have said that the repair tool that you like the best is the clone stamp tool, and that's awesome. I'm not real sure how much chance you had to use some of the other tools, but they're very awesome as well. So, but I use them all. I really do. It depends on. Sometimes you have to get in there, like right up, creep right up on those pixels, and literally replace one pixel at a time. I'm not even exaggerating one bit. I've done it before. It's fun. I love it. But anyways, I just want to. Well, here I've got your JPEG up here somewhere. Let me just bring it up one more time here so we get it real quick. And then I want you to notice. Oh, I see. There's your bird. God, I was looking at this thing going, where is the bird you were talking about? There it is over there. Okay. And I think I have an idea of what's going on with your issues with the bird, as mentioned. Not quite sure I got that part correct. It's better to use adjustment layer. Well, that part you got right, but I'm talking about the bird itself. It's hard to find a hard time adjusting the color and lighting. And one of the reasons is because adjusting color and lighting really depends on the image. You can't work. I mean, Photoshop can do a lot of things, but Miracles is probably not one of them. So if you have a photo that is just not suitable to place in another photo, it'll never work. There's only a certain number of techniques we can employ in Photoshop, and we can adjust pixels, and we can highlight pixels and do different things, but we cannot change them completely without changing the image completely. And that's the issue that we're having in that particular image that you tried to add to your composition. I want to see where here's your, I thought I downloaded your your Amber Benjamin, and I did, but I'm noticing something. You have it marked as a PSD. And let's see here. There's your PSD. Okay, I don't know how I missed that, but there it is. And there's your little added bird. One thing I want to do is I want to get that layer palette open immediately so we can see your layers. And there are your layers. So it looks like what you've done is it looks like you have, yeah, you've added these color layers to the different masked areas, and it looks like you've done the shoes separately. Don't have to do that. Don't have to add separate vibrance layers. Don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is start an adjustment layer, go to hue adjustment, the hue saturation adjustment, and just make a selection, save the selection, and change the color of the shoes with the mask. It's that easy. Okay, bird. Let me see the bird. Drop shadow. Good job adding the shadow to match the dimension. I mean the focal point of the sun, the light source. That's excellent right there. As far as the seagull itself goes, again, I just want to say that technically everything is fine. It's just that it's really difficult to use all images within another image. Best thing to do is find an image that looks like this. So this looks like it was taken in the 70s. It's definitely an old Polaroid. You can tell by the dimensions. So I'm going to say that my suggestion would be to research an old 70s Polaroid image. That might be your way to go. Anyway, so I hope this makes sense. And if not, just give me a holler and I'll be able to clarify it further. All right. Thanks very much.